गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ओम शन्नो मित्रश्यं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। सोविसा मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्य देवो भव यानि अनवद्यानि कर्माणि तानि सेवितव्यानि न इतराणि यान्यस्माकं सुचरितानि तानि त्वयोपास्यानि नो इतराणि। So what we practice that you follow now. एकेचास्मच्छे श्रेयागंसो ब्राह्मणाः तेषां त्वयासनेन प्रश्वसितव्यं। From there we will start now. ये केच विशेषिता आचार्यत्वादि धर्मैः अस्मत्तः श्रेयांशः प्रशस्यतराः ते च ब्राह्मणाः न क्षत्रियादयः तेषाम् आसनेन आसनदानादिना त्वया प्रश्वसितव्यम्। Another instruction is given. लगातार इंस्ट्रक्शंस हो रहा है. Now ये केचा all those people विशेषिता. What is speciality? Some people they are आचार्यत्वादि धर्मैः विशेषिता. Those who are endowed with special qualities such as they become acharya. आचार्यत्वादि आचार्यत्वम teachership. Special qualities such as teachership आचार्यत्वादि धर्मैः अस्मत्तः श्रेयांशः. So those who are superior to us, right, or more praiseworthy than us, right? Who are they? Those who are endowed with special qualities such as dharma, such as acharyatva dharma. There is a teacher, he is greater than us, superior to me, because he is a teacher, a guru, a acharya. So what is his dharma? Acharyatva, adi, etc. Acharyatvadi dharmaihi asmattah shreyamsa. He is superior than us because he has special qualities in him. Wisdom is there, experience is there. Prashasyataraha, that is superior to us. Techa brahmanaha, such brahmanas, they are brahmanas. Na kshatriyadayaha. So don't mistake. It is now that disciples are asked to bow down not before power but before wisdom. Because when we bow down before power, that is out of fear. A king comes, okay, but you respect and honor, treat him as a guest. But a brahmana, a vidwan, a wise person, a teacher comes, again my relationship towards him must be different from what normally I show towards those who are administrators and powerful people. A simple respect is there. But here, those who are superior to us, I serve them specially. So the teacher is instructing, if anybody elder to you in wisdom, a great acharya is come, immediately you must learn to serve them. Those who are greater than us, asmattaha shreyamsaha prashasyataraha teja brahmanaha. When such brahmanas come to you, O disciples, what you should do? Tesham, to them, asanena, that is, tesham asanena, asana danadina, immediately getting up, offering a chair, giving a glass of water. An elder comes, so immediately we get up, we offer our chair. So, asana danadina, tvaya, by you, prasvasitavyam, their fatigue must be removed. Those brahmanas are to be prasvasitavyam, means when acharyas, such brahmanas come, you are supposed to remove their fatigue. उनको आराम दिलाना है. Here example is adina, meaning just give water. First of all, let him sit. Avahanam. Next comes asanam. Immediately इनको बिठाना, इनको पानी पिलाना. Elderly people. So their fatigue must be removed. Elders. Prashvasanam means prashvasaha. Prashvasaha means shrama apanayaha. Shrama apanayanam. Kuru. Meaning remove their fatigue. Serve them. Beautiful. There's a wonderful point. So, tesham shramaha tvaya apanetavya ityartaha. Their fatigue must be removed by you. That is the meaning. So, behave or conduct in such a way that any teacher, any brahmana who is greater than you, if he comes, it is your job, duty, don't forget, O disciple, that you have to remove their fatigue by giving them asana, etc., offering them a chair, etc. This is the culture now the teacher is teaching them. Otherwise, we may feel that we have studied Vedanta, so किसी का सामने सिर झुकने की जरूरत नहीं है. क्यों? कोई नहीं है मेरे अलावा. ये विचित्र बात है. लगातार आप वेदांत तो सुनते रहेंगे ना, 2 साल 3 साल लगातार सुबह शाम तक ब्रह्म सत्यम जगन मिथ्या, ब्रह्म सत्यम जगन मिथ्या, and you become funny creature outside. Therefore, dharma, the code of conduct, is more important in life. So here the teacher says, Tesham shrama tvaya shramastu tvaya shramaha tvaya apanetavyaha. Shramastu tvaya apanetavyaha. Now, Tesham cha, moreover, Tesham cha, in their asane, when they are all seated, group of people, elders are seated there. Goshti nimitte, for some kind of meeting. Goshti, a meeting के लिए सब elders आ गए हैं. They are all seated there. Goshti nimitte, samudute, when they are about to start or when they are assembled for a meeting or a conference. Teshu na prashvasitavyam. Now, when you go there, you are participating in a meeting before elders. You are standing there. In those such assemblages of those people, by you should, what should you behave? Na prashvasitavyam, prashvasaha api na kartavyaha, meaning avoid deep breathing or fast breathing, creating sounds. Even that also you should not do it. You behave, and that means avoid this deep breathing. Meaning, श्वास तक लोगों को पता नहीं चलना है कि आप है कि या नहीं है. That much humble, that much silence you please maintain in the assemblage of people. Stand in a corner. See, teshu na prashvasitavyam, prashvasah api na kartavyah. Now what is to be done? Kevalam tadukta saragrahina bhavitavyam. You are supposed to be there and simply grasp the proceedings. You should only grasp what they say. Tadukta saragrahina bhavitavyam. Saragrahi bhava. Simple there, be there and listen and grasp the essence. And if they give you any work, go and do it. Otherwise, don't make your presence felt. Don't make your presence conspicuous in the assemblage of the wise people. What instruction it is. So, सारे instructions है ना? वेदम अनुज्य आचार्यनः अन्तेवासनम अनुशास्ति सत्यं वद धर्मं चर स्वाध्यायान् मा प्रमदः आचार्याय प्रियं धनमाहृत्य प्रजातन्तुं मा व्यवच्छेत्सीः सत्यान्न प्रमदितव्यं धर्मान्न प्रमदितव्यं भूत्य कुशला then continue कुशलान्न प्रमदितव्यं स्वाध्याय प्रवचनाभ्यां न प्रमदितव्यं देवपितृकार्याभ्यां न प्रमदितव्यं मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव यानि अनवद्यानि कर्माणि तानि सेवितव्यानि न इतराणि यानि अस्माकं सुचरितानि तानि त्वया उपास्यानि नो इतराणि एके तस्मात् श्रेयांसो ब्राह्मणाः तेषां त्वया आसने न प्रश्वसितव्यं श्रद्धया दे नो सी how many things are instructions after instructions. Now continues. Moreover, yat kinchat deyam. No, whatever you give in dana or charity, anything, whatever you offer to anybody, tat shraddhaya deyam dadavyam. Shraddhaya, with reverence. Here. So please don't. Hello, Swami, कितना चाहिए? 2000. ले लो. Shraddhaya, with reverence, you please hand it over. With reverence. Whatever you give, any vastu to anybody, yat deyam datavyam, whatever you give dana, maybe you are a beggar, but then just don't throw. Shraddhaya. Very wonderful. Shraddhaya. Now, Ashraddhaya adeyam. No, not only that. The instruction is Shraddhaya adeyam. But again, the opposite also is reminded by Guru. Ashraddhaya nadeyam. Please don't give without reverence, without Shraddha. Yat datavyam, yat kinchit deyam, tat Shraddhaya deyam datavyam. Ashraddhaya adeyam na datavyam. So let us, whatever we offer, we should offer with reverence. It is not, we are not superior because we are offering something to somebody. Remember, if we feel हमारे डोनेशन के बिना संस्था या न तो मंदिर चलता नहीं, न तो आदमी जीवन जी नहीं सकता, ये गलत है. सोच लीजिए. It can be Vidya Danam also. Without me, nobody will be there to talk on. Somebody will come and talk better. So whatever we are giving Danam, it can be Vidya Danam, it can be Dhana Danam, it can be Vastu Danam, it can be Shrama Danam. Whatever Danam, Shraddhaya Deyam. Beautiful. Then Shriya Vibhutya Deyam Datavyam. Shriya Deyam. No, give, no doubt, according to your own prosperity. As I told you, a Lakpati or Karodpati giving 1 rupee to beggar is not a big Danam. So we have seen Akshapashnas also. What is that similar to that of bad? What is it in similar to that of good? So, therefore, vibhutya deyam datavyam. According to your own prosperity, whatever you can, give dil se do, prem se do, खुशी से दो. देने में कंजूसी मत करना. मंदिर में 1 रुपया, बाहर पिज्जा के लिए 600 रुपया. So, whatever we give to anybody, give with respect. There is no point otherwise. Now, Hriya, Lajjaya, cha deyam. Now, with modesty you give. Because यही इतना ही हो पा रहा है हमारे द्वारा. I am Garudapati. I have given 1 crore to you. So 1 crore I have given. There also modesty is required. Why? My punya was that much only that I had possessed only 1 crore and not 2 crores. मेरे जीवन में भाग्य इतना है कि I am only could become only 1 crore pati. That is what I gave. So मेरे सब कुछ दे दिया, अहंकार आना नहीं चाहिए वहां पे. तो सब कुछ क्या है? तुम्हारा सब कुछ में भी एक सीमा है. सीमित है नहीं. So you are limited by your own destiny or punya phala. So that much only you could get. One ahankar is what? जितना मेरे पास है उतना सब कुछ खाली करके. एक महात्मा ने बताया, एक महात्मा, somebody so महात्मा, real महात्मा. We call everybody as महात्मा. So you have to understand the context, whether it is sarcastic or real. एक मंदिर जाके आया, स्वामी जी जितना पर्स में था सब दे दिया. अच्छा, पर्स में कितना था? 2 रुपया. आप देखिए, 2 रुपया दे दिया. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया किया बाबा. घर पे कितना है? नहीं, इसलिए बहुत पैसा कम लेके जाता हूँ. आजकल एटीएम आने के बाद ना, क्रेडिट कार्ड, डेबिट कार्ड, कैश आई डोंट कैरी. इतना बेवकूफ लोग हैं, मंदिर जाते हैं और अन्य लोगों से मांग के हुंडी में डालते हैं. Why I carry only cards nowadays? 10 रुपए है. I have cards. And they forget to give back that 10 rupees also. So they think 10 रुपए क्या देना है. But वो तो मंदिर में डाला है दान, किसके नाम पे? Don't tell me these things are not happening. This is what is conjusi. So whatever we are giving, सब लेके दे दिया. Even then you should be modest. Lajjaya deyam, Hriya deyam. Because you should feel sad that you are able to give only this much. Beautiful. This is bhavana is very important. We are able to give this much only. क्या बड़ी बात है इसमें? So I am ashamed of giving only this much to you. I wish I could give more, but no chance. And be thankful to the other person who is receiving and accepting your charity. Bhiya deyam, bhitya ja deyam. With fear you give, because fear of, suppose that man rejects. अरे दान देने में what we give, what we attitude, वो किस लिए नहीं लेगा? वो पैसा तो दे रहे हैं ना, दान तो दे रहे हैं ना, क्यों नहीं लेगा? That is an attitude. क्यों नहीं लेगा? दे तो रहे. And we talk philosophy. आजकल सब लोग पैसे के पीछे पड़ गए. क्यों नहीं लेगा? I had had seen Gurudev many times rejecting dana with conditions, with ye, oh, hell to you. Crores of some, no, I don't want, get out. What do you think that I will be sold for money? So here डरते देना है कि दान लिया तो गुरु एक्सेप्ट किया है तो इसे ब्रेक बड़ी बात है. We think that those who accept our donation are very low and क्यों नहीं लेगा, सब पीछे पड़ गए पैसे के पीछे, तो सबको सभी वस्तु चाहिए, क्यों नहीं लेगा. This arrogance will go. Therefore, bhyadeyam, Hare, I am giving this dhanam, but I must be little fear inside, there must be, because fear of his acceptance, his approval. हे भगवान, मैं तो कुछ दे रहा हूँ, उनको देना चाहता हूँ, प्लीज एक्सेप्ट हिम टू रिसीव इट. डर डर के दान देते हैं महात्मा को. क्योंकि महात्मा से डर 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 के देना है. लिए तो फिर अपना नसीब फिर बदल गया. ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. संविदाचा देयम, संविदाचा मैत्रियादिकार्येण देयम. नो विथ फ्रेंडली एक्शंस, विथ मैत्री भाव रखकर दान दो. मैत्रियादि संविदा देयम. झगड़ा करके, आर्गुमेंट करके, टू प्रूव समथिंग टू समबडी, और गिव एंड देन डेवलप एनिमिटी आफ्टरवर्ड्स. दान देने के बाद मैंने गया वहां पे 500 रुपये देने के लिए, महात्मा जी ने 501 मांगा, 1 रुपया नुकसान हो गया. और वहां के उनके सामने मंदिर में न तो महात्मा सामने कहीं लोग कहते हैं कि सब आपका ही है, सब आपका ही है. बाहर आने के बाद पूरा छीन लिया. ऐसे कैजुअली आई टोल्ड, सब आपका ही. महात्मा ने बोला डाल दो. एक महात्मा इज ए ग्रेट महात्मा, great, is no more, from MP. Such a great Mahatma is. One day, he recently passed away 15-20 years back. Why you should have kept quiet now? That Mahatma said, somebody went from some other city and to that MP, Madhya Pradesh में रहते थे. Somebody went from south, but a nice man. स्वामी जी आप हमारे यहाँ ये शहर में. महात्मा जी बोला, देखो भाई, मैं तो आने के लिए तैयार हूँ, मेरे साथ परिवार भी आएंगे, क्या करेंगे. वो सोचा 4-5 होंगे, कितनी क्या फर्क पड़ता है, 10 होंगे, इतना ही है ना. बोले स्वामी जितने भी परिवार हो, सभी लोग. हुआ ये घटना घटी रिसेंटली 15-20. महात्मा के 84 और 80, आई डोंट नो व्हेन विच ईयर ही लेफ्ट द बॉडी, नॉट 84, 90s ओनली लेफ्ट. सो बोले सोच के बताओ, मेरा परिवार बड़ा है. बोले जो भी है नो प्रॉब्लम. इज अ रिच मैन, ऑफ कोर्स नो प्रॉब्लम. सबको फ्लाइट में लेके जाऊंगा. अल्टीमेटली टीम 100 पीपल. दैट मैन ऑल्सो ग्रेट पर्सन, डिवोटी. स्वामी जी 100 क्या, करोड़पति है, पैसा है, ही इज कैपेबल, देयरफॉर गुरु टेस्टिंग हिम. इतने सभी लोगों का फ्लाइट खर्चा, वहां रहने खाने पीने का खर्चा सब स्पॉन्सर किया. दैट इज हाउ द महात्मा's टेस्ट. हो तो नाउ ही इज नी दैट मैन हु डोनेटेड इज सच ए वंडरफुल मैन. सब छोड़ दिया, वनप्रस्थ में बैठ गए, मस्त. इज अ ब्यूटिफुल गार्डन, करोड़पति, बट देन सब संत को दे दिया. सच ए नाइस लाइफ इज लीडिंग, हैप्पी साधना, पीसफुल, एवर स्माइलिंग. एंड सेम महात्मा, उनके महात्मा, कोई एक गया है, बोले कि कुछ बेटी के या समथिंग. तो महात्मा बोला, अरे दक्षिणा दोगे कि नहीं, शादी हो तो हो जाएगा. चलो ठीक है, हो जाएगा, शादी कर लेंगे, तो करा देंगे शादी तुम्हारे बेटी का. तो बताओ संकल्प करेंगे तो क्या देगा. बोले मेरे पास जितना है सब उतना है. तो इस वक्त जितना कैश है तुम्हारा पास, करीब 50 60 लाख समथिंग कैश उसके पास है, वो बिजनेसमैन है वो। बोला सब गोता में ले आओ बोले सेम महात्मा, वो ला लिया पूरा गोथा में लगा के बंडल करके, हाँ महात्मा जी लाल के रखे। बोले अच्छा मेरा पलंग के नीचे ठोक दो बोले और पलंग के नीचे कोई हिम्मत, कोई बताड़ा गेला कुछ नहीं, आश्रम में पलंग के नीचे है। आफ्टर 1.5 month आफ्टर हिज मैरिज इज ओवर, एवरीथिंग इज ओवर, उसको बुलाया तो लेके जाओ अभी तुम्हारा, मुझे नहीं चाहिए, अब मैं तुमको दान दे रहा हूं जाओ बोले, तो वापस ले लिया पूर्व से गोता। सो महात्मास आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, बट रहना है इनको साथ, डरे तो फिर गए। वेरी वंडरफुल। सो देयरफॉर मैत्रियाधिकारी है ना, देने से पहले भी सद्भावना रखनी चाहिए, देते समय भी सद्भावना रखनी चाहिए, देने के बाद भी सद्भावना रखनी चाहिए। Because remember, Mahatmas, those working society, they attribute everything to God. ध्यान से सुनना आप, वो लोग क्या समझते हैं, जितना ये काम करने के लिए जितना आवश्यक है वस्तु या श्रम, लोगों का श्रम या नहीं तो धन जितना भी चाहिए, वो सभी वस्तु चीज या नहीं तो व्यक्ति, दो सेवक, सभी गण हमको मिल रहा है ईश्वर से ही, बस इनका सोर्स तो बदलता नहीं। बोलते इस माध्यम से आना बंद हुआ तो दूसरे माध्यम से मिलेगा, मिलेगा तो है, जरूर मिलेगा, बट जो माध्यम बन के जो काम कर रहे हैं वो सोच रहे कि मेरे बिना काम नहीं होगा, वो गलत है। वहां पे चक्कर में पड़ जाते हैं हम। हाउ महात्मा से ईश्वर लीला, ईश्वर ही दे रहा है। और कोई बोले महात्मा जी अब तक उन्होंने दान देते आया आपको, इस साल दिया नहीं, बोला ईश्वर ने और एक रूप में आके दिया है, उस रूप में तो दिया नहीं। He was also bored of same form, therefore he came in different form and gave me money. काम तो हो गया। Therefore maitriyadi bhavena, maitriyadi karyena deyam, with friendly actions, actions very friendly, very lovely, very very happy, दिल से दो। Beautiful. So यत्किंचित देयम श्रद्धया देयम, अश्रद्धया न देयम, श्रिया देयम, ह्रिया देयम, भिया देयम, संविदा देयम। How to give? These are things now. Now how many are there? Shraddhaya, Ashraddhaya, Shriya, Hriya, Bhiya, Samvida. 6 indications are given. Can we choose any one? All the things are to be included. It is not any one or two you choose. जब हम दे रहे हैं श्रद्धा से देना है, अश्रद्धा से कभी नहीं देना है। श्रिया देयम, ह्रिया देयम, भिया देयम, संविदा देयम। ब्यूटिफुल। नाउ अथ एवं वर्तमानस्य, वर्तमानस्य मीन्स while thus you are living, vartaman, the one who is living on these principles mentioned above so far, instructions, as per the instructions given so far, a person now as he started living those principles, whatever as instructions has been given, atha evam vartamanasya, the one who is living in this way, one who is, उनका जिनका बर्ताव जैसे ऊपर दिया है इसी के अनुरूप में चल रहा है, अपने जीवन में चलाते आ रहा है, इस बिहेवियर। वर्तमानस्य यदि कदाचित, at some time, a point of time, while he is practicing all this, he may suddenly get doubts. Where tava shraute smatte va karmani वृत्ते वा आचार लक्षणे विचिकित्सा संशयस्यात्. श्रौत कर्म, in regarding karmas are there, certain karmas. Shruti, karmas mentioned in Shruti, Shrauta karma, or doubts regarding conduct. You are living based on this, what you call Matra Deva Bhava, Pitra Deva Bhava, all these instructions you have been following and living. Ayana Navajani Karmani, Tana Sevitavyani, Tesham Dayasana Prashwasitavyam, all the Siddhayadayam, everything has been following. While living life of this kind of moral conduct and discipline, at any point of time if you get a doubt regarding श्रौत कर्म और कॉन्डक्ट व्यवहार, इस विषय में मुझे संशय आया है कि ना इस परिस्थिति में मेरा बर्ताव कैसा होनी चाहिए, मेरे जो बर्ताव है भी कैसे किस तरह से जीना है, व्यवहार। और श्रौत कर्म, विच कर्म टू बी डन, आचार लक्षणे विचिकित्सा, संशय, सपोज यू गेट डाउट, सो गुरु सेज नाउ व्हाट इज टू बी डन। ये तत्र, those brahmanas those are there, tatra means tasmin deshe kaleva, immediately in the vicinity of the same place and time, vartaman mein, those are living. Tasmin deshe kaleva means those living brahmanas in paas mein, aas paas mein jo hai, in the particular pranta at particular time, deshe kaleva brahmanaha, whoever brahmanas are residing there, tatra karmadau yukta iti vyavahitena sambandh. Those brahmanas, those who are endowed with, those who are adepts in doing their activities and conduct, those who write conduct, etc. Some who are now, what are they? Sammarshinaha vicharakshamaha. Those brahmanas who are vicharakshamaha, those who are thoughtful. Ask them. Whom should you ask? Such brahmanas, wise people. Who are wise people here? Whom should we ask? Those who are vicharakshamaha, thoughtful. Yuktaha. Yukta means abhiyuktaha, karmani vrutteva. Those who are adepts. Adepts means perfect people, well skilled people, knowledgeable in duties and customs. Karmani vrutteva. Ayuktaha, aparaprayuktaha, beautiful. Ayuktaha means what? Aparaprayuktaha. No, ayukta means what? Those who are not directed by others. As for example, you go to a wise person and ask, and the wise person, the Brahmana himself is directed by low and vicious people around him, and they are guiding him. Aparayuktaha. Such kind of people don't go. So those two Brahmanas who are thoughtful, those who are yuktaha, adepts in customs and duties, aparayuktaha, ayuktaha, those who are not directed by the vicious and low people. They are not directed, they have independent decision, they are thinking. They are not directed by cheap third-rate people. हम बोलते हैं ना, वो स्वामी तो ठीक है, या तो political leader is very good, but is spoiled by the people around him. He takes their suggestions और इसके वजह से अपना विचार खो बैठा. Are you getting my point? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, a wise person. So, aparayuktaha, then alukshaha. Aluksha means aruksha, akruramatayha. Akruramatayha means those who are not cruel. So now these qualities are given. Ask those Brahmanas who are available in the same place and time, who are living. Who are they? Which Brahmanas of which type? Those who are thoughtful, those who are adepts in duties and customs, those who are not directed by the low and vicious people, and that is those who are not guided by, directed by, not taken, they are not being taken for a ride by the low people. Such people, plus arukshaha, those who are not cruel, dharmakaha makamaha. Dharmaka means adrushtarthinaha and akamahataha. Those who are desirous of meritorious actions, and also akamahataha, those who are not moved by passion. So these two definitions are included in dharmakamaha. Dharmakama means those who are desirous of merit, punyarthinaha, plus akamahataha, those who are not moved by their passion. Passion doesn't direct them in any activity. Akamahata iti etat syuhu bhaveyuhu. There may be happen to be such kind of people, those who are, they may happen to be in your own vicinity, brahmanas of this type. Now क्या करना है? Then इति एतत् भवेयुः ते यथा येन प्रकारेण ब्राह्मणा तत्र तस्मिन् कर्मणि वृत्ते वा वृत्तेः वर्तेरन् तथा त्वमपि वर्तेताः. Now those brahmanas of those type, as they behave in those given circumstances, what you got out now, in such and such circumstances, as such kind of brahmanas behaved, you also behave. That is a pramana. Wonderful. Very clear. So the brahmanas behave. So when I get doubt about, now see one interesting thing. It is not a doubt asked by a skeptic without studying Vedas, without studying Upanishads, without studying Dharma Shastras. No. This is the doubt expressed by the student after completing the studies, after receiving the instructions, after following them in his life. Vartamanasya, one who is following and living these styles, then if he gets a doubt, then he is asked to look around, who are those wise people in society, who are of this kind of nature, this type, this class of beings, with these good qualities, how are they behaving in the set of circumstances which I am experiencing now? Given the same circumstances, how are they behaving now in such circumstances? And so teacher says, as they behave, you also behave. Tatra tasmin karmane vrutteva varteran tatha tvapi vartetaha. You should also behave in the same fashion as they are behaving. Who are they? Brahmana. What kind of people? All those which are seen now. Then, atha abhyakyateshu. Atha abhyakyateshu. This we thought we can take up tomorrow. So one guidance is given. So when you get doubt, so this is not the doubt expressed by a neophyte, just started or skeptical, a skeptic person. No, he is living already, still he gets a doubt. Then such a person is asked to look around and learn from the wise people. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasashyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.